Hello everyone, are you into the Keychain EDC? Well, I have here two items that you might find interesting. The first is this foldable mini ratchet by LaBear. That is very good. This is very good, and this is a keychain that is foldable here, locked. Gets locked here, yeah, but you can maximize this tool by adding here. This one has 5 normal bits, but what I did was to use 5 bits of these the Steinwhale ones. The ones are small double-ended bits, yeah, so they works very well here. So instead now of having only 5 bits, you now have 10 bits and in a smaller ratchet keychain, right? That is very good. And if you also carry, well, you can carry another extra bit here if you want, but what I did was to have this mini converter here for a 1/4 inch to a 1/4 square for sockets. So you at this one, yeah, you can also use universal socket from 5 to 14 millimeters. Yep, now you have a very useful tool, yeah, with 10 bits and pretty much the 14 metrical sockets and the 14 imperial ones, so all in one small keychain, right? This is awesome. This is very good. And it's locked, so reversible both sides. Yeah, this is something to consider. There is a different colors. This is the black one, but yeah, that's it's good. You can also, when you use this, you don't use this, you can either change it and put it here in the meantime, don't lose it. Yeah, it's a very good grip here. This one is detachable here. You don't want to bother you when you do your thing. Yeah, this is very small ratchet keychain, very good. It's a magnetic here, so you just yeah, it gets very good. So well, something to consider in the case of the keychain here. Yeah. The other second item I have here is this knife. Very small keychain, but look, this is, you can take out the blade, right? So this use a mini blade here. This is very good because I don't know if you wanna just take out this one because you are in the airplane or something and they say no, you cannot carry, you know, knife. Yeah, you can just detach it and done. This is also a good option. Very easy to remove and put. Yeah, and it's locked. Here is the lock mechanism. It's very handy. So you want your Keychain EDC. Well, there is 2 options you can attach to them. So this one also, there are different colors. I guess there is a blue, gray and orange. Yeah, this is the orange version. The brand is LETGOS. Okay, well, hope so this one be part of your EDC keychain. So it's just good to know that is these options out there. Okay, thank you guys, see you next time.